I'm Mary.
And I'm Gene.
I'm Lady Cooper.
And this is our Albie 24.
So this year we have done some things to our boat.
Big things. Expensive things.
Meet Gino, tractor mechanic by day, boat captain by weekend, and the daddy of our crew.
Because we got stranded in the river and we had engine trouble. And when you have all your children on the boat and you're out there in these waters out here, because there's big water out here, you know, it kind of makes you a little nervous. So we chose to do a repower. And I told Mary if we were going to do it, we were going to do it right. So
Well, but first we didn't do it right.
yeah, the first time we tried to buy an engine, and we bought the engine, and the guy told me it only had 300 hours on it, and so I thought it was a great deal, and we paid $1,000 for it, and it lasted an hour,
Literally.
literally an hour. Bo says that's not cool. We drove all the way to Charlotte, picked the motor up, which it was a good date weekend, so I can't say it was a bad weekend.
It was. You're right.
So this is what we did. We bought a brand new, from GM, brand new Vortec 350 Chevrolet. And I installed it myself. Everything from front to back is brand spanking new. We had the lower unit and the outdrive rebuilt, all seals, hoses, fuel pump, fuel lines built. So when we did that, we rebuilt the transom, we put new studs back there, we replaced the seals, we replaced everything. If it could leak, we replaced it. If it was old, we replaced it. There's nothing on it that's not new. So I don't know if that was right or wrong, but it's a good peace of mind. So that's my baby.
It's our shiny new engine.
Let me try it on.
We do have a slim platform back there, and so this is our slip that we keep our boat in on Grays Creek. This is our marina. There's a few other boats that stay here. That stay here. That's the Surrey Seafood Restaurant. That's my father-in-law's boat. So it's pretty nice.
And there's one more thing.
What's that?
There's trash on a fuel filter.
Meet Brady Cooper, our spunky, red-headed 5-year-old who is not afraid to talk.
There's trash in our fuel filter?
Well, yeah. At least we need to fill up. At least I can cast good.
You can cast good.
And that's Grandpa Wally's boat.
Yeah,
Show him.
I did. I showed him.
And his antenna's broken. Oh, they're leaving from his boat now. They're leaving from Drew's boat. Now, and then it's going to be our turn.
Anything else you need to say about our motor?
Well, when we put the engine in, I installed a new seawater pump, new brackets, new belts, all that. So that's about it. Hopefully it lasts a little while.
Meet Heidi, our sassy and sweet little girl.
Really annoying.
And Maddie has the hiccups.
And Maddie, Heidi's older sister, who's 13 but acts like she's 16 and is goofy and beautiful.
So we just got back to the dock and we're about to call it a day.
Also, we have blue lights and they're at night.
Oh yeah, we did install that up here is new. This is new this year. This is new this year. You put the door up.
Yeah, the blue lights, the door. We got the curved 52-inch LED light on the front.
Yeah, there's a long
And
light up there.
we got the lights on the back.
Super long.
We got the lights on the back for when we're fishing at night. I do some striper fishing at night. So that helps, you know. Every little bit helps. Teaching Brady how to use a reel, and he's actually pretty good at it. For 5 years old, he does really well. So,
Brady, what'd you think about our boat trip today?
did you like it?
I loved it. Roll, I say! Rock and roll!
Did you have fun?
It was awesome.
I had fun in the pool.
We ate some seafood. We drank a good beer. And we had a good ride. The water was a little rough going into blue water, but it laid down when we were leaving back. So it was all in all, it was a really good day. And it's always a good day. We made it back. We didn't have to get towed in.
Well, it's time for Bo to go home and go night-night.
And this is Bo, the newest member of our crew.
Bo says,
Yay! Yay! There's Mama's seat. Yay!
So long, world.